make it easier, we will divide into two groups, and a half with me and a half with Made. Yeah, this one, the name is soy sam, and we need 3 leaves like this. Yeah, 3 leaves. The taste is like combination between strawberry and pineapple. Jeruk purut.
Purut, yes, the lemon.
Yeah, the aromatic
yeah.
one.
We don't
So that's the
use it
kaffir
in-
lime. We use it.
Oh, that's the kaffir line.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna start cooking.
Turn on the pot. Juice.
Yes.
Squeeze it, and then just drop the skin in. Then mix with the spoon. Tempeh is it's similar to tofu. It comes from soya bean, but tempeh is much better than tofu. Actually, it's more tasty and more protein.
Perfect. Very good. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, very good. Even better than in the restaurant yesterday.
It's really nice.
We're
Can't
good.
wait. We're
We're good. We're great.
The food is great.
Yeah.
You're gonna love it.